Find the support reactions at A and B for the beam loaded as shown in figure. Here, these are horizontal vertical forces and this is horizontally acting force. Here it is rectangular uniformly distributed load. We have to convert this load into single point load acting at half of 1 meters like this. Now this is simply supported beam and this is roller. This is simply support and this is roller support. Now this is rectangular load and this is also rectangular load. Now this load will be converted to single load like 2 into 3 area of rectangle, and this load will be converted to single load like area of rectangle 3 into 1, and they will act as single loads, single pointed loads acting at half of the span of the loading, half the span of loading. So 2 into 3 6, 3 into 1 3. So 6 kilonewton force will be acting at 1.5 meters from D, and 3 into 1 3 kilonewton force will be acting at 0.5 meters from point B. Now this is simple support and this is roller support. It will have reactions of HA and VA, and this roller support will have reactions of VB. Now resolving forces horizontally and equating to 0. HA is directed towards positive x-axis, so plus HA, and 3 kilonewton is directed towards negative x-axis, so it is minus. HA is plus and 3 is minus, so minus 3 equal to 0. We get HA value, and resolving forces vertically and equating to 0, and here summation of vertical forces VA plus VB equal to summation of downward forces 5 plus 6. So VA plus VB equal to 11. Say it as equation 1, and this moment will have its value of minus 10 kilonewton meter at any point. At C also it will have 10 kilonewton meter, and anywhere it will be having same magnitude. Now taking moment of HA about point A, it will have line of action of force like this, and it will pass through point A, and it will have 0 moment about point A, and this 3 kilonewton force will be having line of action of force like this. It will pass through line of action of force like this. HA will pass through point A like this, and 3 kilonewton force will pass through line of action of force like this, and it will have perpendicular distance of this much 0.5 meters about point A, and this force 0.5 meters from point A, it will rotate anti-clockwise about point A. So 3 into 0.5, and now these vertical forces will have line of action of forces like this, and they pass through line of action of force like this. So VA will have 0 perpendicular distance about point A, and force 5 kilonewton force will pass through line of action of force like this, and 6 kilonewton force will pass through line of action of force like this, and VB will pass through line of action of force like this, and VA will be having 0 moment about point A because it is having 0 perpendicular distance from point A, and 5 kilonewton force will be having perpendicular distance about point A of 1 meters, and it will rotate about point A clockwise like this clockwise. So it will have magnitude of 5 into 1 meters, 5 into 1 meters clockwise, and 6 kilonewton force will pass through line of action of force like this, and it will have perpendicular distance of 1, 1, 1 and 3 by 2, 1.5. So 3 plus 1.5, 4.5 meters about point A. So 6 into 4.5, it will rotate about point A like this clockwise, and VB, this force will be having perpendicular distance of 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 plus 3, 6 meters from point A, and it will rotate about point A like this. So its magnitude will be VB into 6. It is anti-clockwise. It is rotating anti-clockwise. So minus VB into 6. Now we have calculated horizontal forces and we have calculated vertical forces. We got equation and we named it as 1, and we have taken moment of all forces about point A. So VB into 6 and 5 into 1 and 6 into 4.5 and is 3 into 0.5 and minus 10. This is minus 10. This couple moment about point A or any point on the plane, it will be 10 only, anti-clockwise minus 10. Now we got equation in VF and VB. Here we got equation in VB. So we calculated VB value and substituted VB value in equation 1, and we calculated for VA value. We got VB and VA, and we got HA value. And reaction at A will be RA. So we get RA value by square root of summation HA square plus summation VA square. Substituting HA value and VA value, we get RA, and theta we get by tan inverse of VA by HA, we get theta value. We have to calculate this. This is homework.